In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to navigate to your project. Open up your Wrike workspace and head to the specific project or folder where you want to add those custom fields. This sets the stage for everything else we'll be doing, so make sure you're in the right spot. Now that you're in your project, the next step is to locate the task table view. This is typically displayed at the bottom part of your screen. You should see all your tasks listed there, and it gives you a comprehensive overview of your project's progress. Once you have the task table in sight, look towards the top right corner of it. You'll notice a small plus icon, which looks like a plus. Go ahead and click on that icon. It will open a drop-down menu for you. This menu is where all the magic happens, so pay attention. In this drop-down menu, you will see several options. What you want to do next is select Custom Field. Clicking on this option will take you to the Setup and Configuration menu for the custom fields, which is exactly what we need. Now let's talk about choosing the field type. This step is crucial. Depending on what you want to track, you'll need to select the proper type of data structure. For example, if you want to track simple text entries, you can choose text. If you're looking to manage budgets or estimates, number would be the way to go. If you want to create categories, a drop-down option might suit your needs best. So think about what information you need to capture and select accordingly. After you've selected the field type, it's time to name your field. This is an important step. Type in a descriptive, intuitive name for your custom field. Something like estimated hours or budget allocation works well. The key here is to make sure your team can easily understand what the field is intended for. A well-named field can save a lot of confusion later on. Once you've got your field type and name all set up, you're almost there. Look for the button that says Create. Go ahead and click it. When you do this, the custom field will immediately appear in your task table, and it's ready for data entry right away. And that's it. You've just created a custom field in Wrike. As you and your team start adding data, you'll find it helpful for tracking necessary details specific to your projects. It can enhance your workflow and keep everyone on the same page. So, remember to explore these custom fields and think about how you can tailor them to fit your tracking needs. If you have any questions or want me to cover anything else in Wrike, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using custom fields in Wrike.